Hey guys, I want to go over how to install the Winch Fairlead onto your bumper. So if you are running a winch, you're also going to want to have a Fairlead right here as well for that rope or cable. It comes with this cover plate already installed, so we're going to undo that and then install the Fairlead in its place. So for now, we're going to set the hook, the pin, and the snap ring off to the side. We'll come back to those once we've installed the bumper and fished the line through the Fairlead. But for now, we'll grab Fairlead, bolt through the front, and then a washer and a nut on the backside. There's not really too much slop in those holes, but just enough that you want to make sure that you get it straightened and you like how it looks before you really tighten down. Now is a good time to get the hook installed. There is a bigger hole in the bottom. The pin goes down through. You'll put the eyelet at the end of your rope or your cable through here, and then you have a snap ring that goes down on the inside of this. You want to make sure that this snap ring goes all the way down and expands, snaps back into place, and that it's in there really good. And that's it. It was pretty straightforward, simple as that. If you have any questions, anything came up, reach out to our customer service team. We would be happy to help.